Hey friends, did you know that there's a resort on Walt Disney World property that many Disney fans never even realize exists? Welcome to Shades of Green Resort, a resort created exclusively for eligible military members, veterans, Department of Defense civilians, and their families. But this place didn't start as Shades of Green. Back in 1973, it originally opened as Disney's Golf Resort, built between Disney's Palm and Magnolia golf courses as a peaceful country club style getaway with just 150 rooms. Later, Disney expanded and rebranded it as the Disney Inn in 1986. Then, in 1994, the U.S. Department of Defense secured a long-term lease and transformed it into Shades of Green, named after the different shades of green worn in military uniforms. In 1996, the DoD purchased the resort buildings while Disney retained ownership of the land. Today, this hidden gem has nearly 600 oversized rooms and suites, making them some of the largest standard rooms on Disney property. Room categories typically include standard rooms, pool view rooms, suites, and family suites, depending on availability. Most rooms feature sleeper sofas, mini fridges, and private balconies or patios. One of the cool and most unique parts is that rates are based on military pay grade and rank, meaning lower ranking service members generally pay less than higher ranking guests, helping them keep vacations affordable for those who serve. Booking usually opens up a year in advance, and popular travel times like holidays can sell out quickly. So whether you qualify to stay here or you're just curious what this hidden Disney area resort looks like, let's take a full walk through Shades of Green. As you arrive at Shades of Green, one of the first things you'll notice is the welcoming guest drop-off area where the bell services team is ready to assist with luggage and help start your stay stress-free. It gives the resort that classic full-service hotel feel from the moment you pull up. Whether you're checking in for a quick getaway or a full Disney vacation, this first impression feels organized, calm, and welcoming. Just inside the lobby, you'll find the check-in desk where the staff is known for being friendly, helpful, and ready to assist with anything you need during your stay. From room questions to resort tips, they help make the arrival process smooth and easy. One of the standout features of Shades of Green is the lobby itself. It feels grand, open, and incredibly spacious. With high ceilings and plenty of natural light that gives the whole space a calm and welcoming atmosphere, it's the kind of lobby that immediately feels relaxing the moment you walk in. Just beyond the lobby, you'll find the outdoor balcony area, a peaceful place where guests can sit back, unwind, and take in the scenery. It's a perfect spot to enjoy the background music, relax after a park day, or simply overlook the beautiful courtyard below, complete with ponds, fountains, and lush landscaping that adds to the resort's peaceful charm. Not to mention that you could also enjoy a great cup of coffee in the morning or an ice cream from the local ice cream bar. Once you walk back into the lobby, right nearby is the coffee shop area, a favorite stop for guests throughout the day. Along with Starbucks coffee and specialty drinks, they also serve ice cream treats, the always popular Dole Whip, and even a create-your-own sundae option that's perfect for a fun dessert break before or after the parks, or even after a pool day. Open daily from 08 to 2200, another convenient feature here at Shades of Green is the on-site PX, giving eligible guests a chance to shop tax-free during their stay. It's a great stop for picking up everyday essentials or anything you may have forgotten to pack. Inside you'll find must-have items like first aid supplies, snacks, drinks, alcoholic beverages, toiletries, and even clothing and souvenirs. Whether you need a quick refill for the room or just want to browse, it adds an extra level of convenience that makes staying here even more unique. You'll also find the Attraction and Tickets desk, a helpful stop where guests can purchase select theme park tickets, get local attraction information, and ask questions about planning their vacation. It's a convenient on-site resource that can help make your Orlando stay even smoother. As you continue through the resort area, you'll really start to notice just how large Shades of Green is. The property has so much to offer, with multiple buildings, dining options, recreation areas, and relaxing spaces spread throughout the grounds. It feels more like a full destination resort than just a place to sleep. Walking across the bridge, you'll come to the yoga studio area, giving guests another great wellness option during their stay. Through the window here, you can catch a view of one of the resort's two pools, the Magnolia Pool and Hot Tub. This family-friendly pool area is a popular spot for guests looking to cool off, relax, or enjoy some downtime between park days. It's another example of how Shades of Green offers plenty of recreation right on property. Another convenient feature throughout Shades of Green is the easy access to vending and ice stations located across the resort. With multiple locations spread throughout the different buildings and guest room areas, it's simple to grab a cold drink, snacks, and refill your ice bucket without having to go far from your room. It's one of those small touches that adds extra comfort during a longer stay. You'll also find the on-site spa, offering guests a relaxing escape right here at the resort. It's a great option for anyone looking to unwind with massage and wellness treatments after a long day in the parks, or simply enjoy a little extra self-care during their vacation. Now we're at the Mill Pond Pool area, one of the most popular recreation spots at Shades of Green. This family-friendly pool features fun water slides, plenty of space to swim, and a kiddie play area where younger guests can splash, enjoy their own section of the pool. It's the perfect place to cool off and relax on a resort day. Also, if the kids are tired of swimming, they have a fun little play area where you could also play chess and checkers, or just sit and relax in the sun. Just steps away is Evergreen's Bar and Grill, a casual dining spot that's great for grabbing a meal without leaving the pool area. Guests can dine inside, relax with a drink, or order convenient to-go items to enjoy back at the room or out by the pool. It's a solid option for lunch, dinner, or a quick bite during the day. The arcade here at Shades of Green is a fun indoor entertainment spot for both kids and adults. Guests can purchase tokens on site to jump right into the games, making it an easy stop anytime during the day. Inside you'll find a wide variety of games, including exciting shooting games, race car simulators, classic skill games, and claw machines where you can try your luck winning prizes. There's plenty to keep everyone entertained. Whether you're competing for high scores or just having fun together, it's also a great place for kids to unwind, burn off some extra energy, and enjoy themselves after a long day at the parks. Here's a closer look at that fun splash area designed especially for the little ones. This shallow play space gives babies and younger children a safe place to cool off, play in the water, and enjoy their own kid-friendly section of the pool area. It's a great feature for families traveling with small children. One thing you'll notice as you walk through Shades of Green is how peaceful and relaxing the pathways are throughout the resort. With shaded walkways, landscaped courtyards, and quiet spots to explore, it makes simply walking the property part of the experience. As we pass through this courtyard area, take a look at the engraved bricks built into the pathway. These commemorative bricks were purchased by supporters, families, and guests as a way to leave a lasting memory here at the resort. Many feature names, messages, or tributes, adding a personal touch and a sense of history to the grounds. It's a small detail, but one that makes Shades of Green feel even more special. As you continue through the grounds, you really get a sense of just how massive Shades of Green is. This resort stretches across a large section of property, with towering guest room buildings, wide open spaces, and beautifully maintained landscaping throughout. It feels spacious, peaceful, and far removed from the fast pace of the theme parks. One of the standout features here is how much room there is to simply walk, explore, and enjoy the surroundings. Everywhere you turn, there are scenic views, quiet corners, and relaxing places to sit and take it all in. For guests who like to stay active, Shades of Green also offers a fully equipped fitness center right on site. It's a convenient option if you want to keep up with your workout routine while on vacation, whether that means cardio, weights, or a quick morning session before heading to the parks. The resort also features designated walking and running paths throughout the property, giving guests a scenic way to get some exercise while enjoying the peaceful grounds and the fresh air. Now we're entering one of the main dining areas here at Shades of Green. First you'll see Mangino's, a table service restaurant known for offering a more relaxed sit-down dining experience in the evenings. It's a nice option for guests looking for a full meal right at the resort. Next is the Garden Gallery, the resort's popular breakfast location and a great way to start the day before heading to the parks. This is a full-service breakfast area offering both made-to-order favorites and buffet-style selections with plenty of variety for the whole family. Guests can order fresh omelets made just the way they like, along with pancakes cooked to order. To keep that Disney magic going, they even serve Mickey-shaped pancakes and Mickey waffles that kids always love. On the buffet side, you'll find hearty breakfast options like corned beef hash, biscuits and gravy, potatoes, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, and plenty more hot selections. There's also a fresh fruit station with a large variety of options for a lighter start to the morning. For younger guests, there's a kid-friendly section there where they can choose their own breakfast favorites, making it fun and easy for families. With so many choices, Garden Gallery is one of the standout dining spots here at the resort. Now we're making our way through the Palm Wing, the other major site of the Shades of Green. This section of the resort offers more guest rooms, convenient access to different amenities, and the same spacious layout found throughout the property. As you walk through, you can really appreciate how large the resort is, with wide hallways, clean common areas, and easy pathways connecting everything together. No matter which wing you stay in, the resort is designed to feel comfortable, quiet, and easy to navigate. Now I'm showing you the parking garage area, another convenient feature of Shades of Green. Guests have access to both covered and uncovered parking options, along with valet service and designated handicap parking for added accessibility and convenience. One of the more unique touches here is the themed parking sections marked for each military branch, including Army, Navy, Marines, and Air Force. You don't have to park in a specific section, but it adds a meaningful sense of pride, identity, and belonging that fits perfectly with the spirit of this resort. It's a small detail, but one that makes Shades of Green feel truly one of a kind. Now we're at one of the best perks of staying at Shades of Green, the complimentary resort transportation area. For many guests, this is one of the most valuable features because you can leave your car parked and let the resort handle the transportation to the parks. These free buses run on scheduled pickup and drop-off times throughout the day, making it easy to plan your park mornings and return trips at the night. One route takes guests to the Ticket and Transportation Center where you can connect to Magic Kingdom by monorail or ferry, and also access to Epcot transportation. Another route services Disney's Hollywood Studios and Disney's Animal Kingdom, giving guests direct access to the two most popular parks. There's also transportation available to Disney Springs for shopping, dining, and entertainment. It's a convenient, stress-free option that saves time and avoids parking hassles, and it makes staying here even more valuable. Right here near the transportation area is the garden gallery takeout window, a convenient grab-and-go option for guests heading out early to the parks. It's a great spot to pick up a quick breakfast, coffee, or light snack before hopping on the bus and starting your Disney day. And now finally, for one of the things that you've probably been waiting to see is the room tour. Let's take a look at one of the guest rooms that we got here at Shades of Green. One of the first things you'll notice right away is just how large these rooms are. In fact, standard rooms here are known for being some of the biggest on Walt Disney World property, offering around 480 square feet of space, which is significantly larger than many standard Disney resort rooms. As you walk in, you'll see two comfortable queen-size beds with plenty of room around them, making the space feel open instead of crowded. Whether you're traveling with family or just want extra room to spread out, this layout is a major plus. You also get a pull-out sofa that's extra convenient. This room can house up to 6 guests. The room also features a large television, a spacious dresser with plenty of storage for clothes and personal items, and a large closet area complete with an in-room safe for valuables, and also has a mini fridge. This room is designated to be practical for longer stays while still feeling comfortable and relaxing. The bathroom area, you'll find it well set up with convenient amenities like soaps, shampoo, and body wash ready for your stay. There's also partially separated toilet area for added privacy, which is especially helpful when multiple people are getting ready at the same time. Fresh towels are provided, and housekeeping service helps keep the room clean and refreshed each day. Now stepping outside near the balcony, you'll see that it's another standout feature. It's a nice oversized balcony, and it gives you room to sit and relax and offers some really nice views depending on your room location. From this room, you can overlook the pool area as well as the beautiful golf course surrounding. And that's another hidden perk of staying here. Shades of Green sits right next to Disney World's famous golf courses, and eligible guests can often access special military discounted rates for tee times. Overall, Shades of Green offers spacious rooms, strong value, convenient transportation, and unique military benefits, all while staying right on Walt Disney World property. If you qualify, this is easily one of the best hidden resort options in all of Disney. Thanks for watching this full POV tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Disney travel content. Take care, friends.